Mastering the Art of Direct Quotations. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of academic writing. One of the critical skills you need is the ability to quote sources directly and do so ethically. So, let's uncover the secrets of using direct quotations effectively. Direct quotations involve taking a segment of text from a source and incorporating it into your writing, word for word. It's like borrowing someone else's words but giving them full credit. When you use direct quotations, you're showcasing the source's original words, and this can be powerful evidence to support your arguments or insights. 1. Accuracy is vital. Sometimes, paraphrasing can change the original meaning. In such cases, quoting directly ensures that the reader gets the accurate message. 2. Authoritative voice. Quoting an expert in the field can lend credibility to your work. 3. Strong expression. If the original words have a particular resonance or power, it's best to quote them directly. However, remember not to overuse quotations. Your own voice should be predominant in your writing. When you decide to use a direct quotation. 1. Introduce it. Before the quote, provide a lead-in. E.g., according to Dr. Smith. 2. Quote accurately. Ensure the quoted text is word for word as it appears in the original source. 3. Cite the source. Always provide a citation to acknowledge the original author. This is crucial for avoiding plagiarism. 4. Punctuate correctly. Ensure your quotation marks and other punctuation are used correctly. 1. Avoid plagiarism. Always credit the source. Using someone else's words without giving them credit is considered theft in the academic world. 2. Context matters. Never twist the original meaning. Ensure that the way you present the quote does not misrepresent the source's intent. 3. Respect length. Only quote what is necessary. Very long quotations can overwhelm your own voice and make your writing less engaging. Direct quotations are a valuable tool in academic writing, offering accuracy and authority. However, they must be used judiciously and ethically. We hope this video shed light on the art of using direct quotations. Keep writing, keep learning, and remember to always give credit where credit is due.